Easy and very tasty Choco Chips Muffins. Prepared in air fryer. You can also prepare in oven as well. Let's try this. Take 1/4 cup refined oil, 1/2 cup sugar powder, 1/2 tsp vanilla essence. Mix well. 1/2 cup milk. Mix well to dissolve sugar. Take a sieve. 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Add 4 tbsp milk powder. One tsp baking powder. 1/4 tsp baking soda. Sieve it well. Mix well. Gradually add 1/4 cup milk and mix it in one-way direction. Keep similar consistency. Add 1 tsp vinegar. Mix well. Add 2 tbsp Choco Chips. Mix well. Take few K-cups easily available in retail store. Place the batter in each of the cup. Make sure to keep 1/4 portion empty. Top up with Choco Chips. In preheated air fryer. Place it gently. Set for 15 to 18 minutes at 160 degrees C. Once ready, take this out. Isn't this quick and easy to make?
Wow, looks amazing!
Please feel free to comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.